Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, this particular video is all about fixing one of the most common issues that frustrates Forex traders, and that is the MT4 and MT5 waiting for update error. So if you have been staring at a blank chart, okay, maybe you tried to open a new chart and then you know all right, let me wait for the network to go down because network is one of the main problems. So maybe you're trying to open a new chart and you are getting that waiting for updates. It's just there for many minutes. All right, let's see. I think it's gonna do that now. Okay, I guess my network has some leftovers on my platform because I already switched up my network, but the charts are still opening. All right, I was thinking I was going to see that waiting for updates error. So basically, if you see that error, maybe you are staring at the blank chart, you're seeing that constant message in the corner. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you actually know exactly how to solve it and prevent it from happening again. You know, whether it's network that is the problem or not. So first of all, let's quickly understand what this error actually means. The waiting for updates means, it shows up when your MT4 or MT5 platform is not receiving price data from your broker server. So if there is no price data, then it's going to show you waiting for update because it is actually waiting for an update. So it actually means what it says, waiting for update. All right. So in simple terms, your platform is open, but it is not connected to the right source of live data. Without that connection, your charts will not update and you won't be able to monitor the market in real time. Okay, so now let us talk about the main causes. The most common reason is an unstable or disconnected internet connection. This is like one of the common reasons, okay? Unstable or disconnected internet connection. Well, so if you think your internet is fine and small interruptions can cause this issue. Okay, if you think your internet is fine, just know that small interruptions can actually cause this issue. Okay, and another reason could be that your broker server is down, or maybe you are logged into the wrong server. So that can actually, that's the reason why you should know that it's not only about network. Yes, just know that it's not only about network. Maybe you are in the wrong server, and then you are trying to open or you're trying to access a chart. Okay, how am I going to do this now as an example? Maybe you are trying to access a chart, in an account that does not offer that particular currency pair or that particular chart, or something like that. So the account keeps on waiting for an update indefinitely because that particular chart, there is no data for it. Okay, so if you are logged into the wrong server, maybe that symbol, that particular asset, maybe it does not have an active data feed. All right, so that could be another issue. In other cases, you may have logged into the wrong account or your account has expired. So how do you fix it? Let us go step by step. So now step one is to check your internet connection. Like I said, it's like one of the major reasons. Okay, so we check your internet connection, then you maybe restart your router or if needed, right? And make sure your connection is stable. Okay, sometimes simply reconnecting can clear the error. Step two, confirm your broker's server. All right, confirm the server. Make sure that the server is correct. Confirm the server. Make sure that it is correct. Many brokers have multiple servers, and logging into the wrong one will stop data from coming through. Now, the third step is to refresh your charts. Okay? Right click on that chart that is saying waiting for updates and maybe try refreshing it. All right? Select refresh. So this often forces the platform to reload the data. Step 4, check your account login. All right? If you have been logged out or your password is incorrect, the platform won't receive live data. Okay? So enter your login details again and make sure you are logged in properly. All right? Step 5, try switching to a different symbol. Okay? Try switching to a different symbol. Sometimes the error shows up on one chart but not others. So by loading another currency pair or asset, you can test if the issue is only with a particular symbol. Step 6, if none of these work, try restarting your MT4 or MT5 platform. Closing and reopening the software, may reset the connection and clear temporary issues. Finally, if the error still remains, you might want to contact your broker's support team. It could be a server-side issue on their end, and they'll be able to guide you further. All right. So once you have tried the different, steps and none of them is working, you might just want to resort to contacting your broker. All right. Contact your broker and ensure that the problem is not from your end. All right. So to recap, the MT4 and MT5 waiting for update error is usually caused by internet problems, server mismatches, or inactive symbols. The solutions are straightforward, okay? Check your internet, confirm your broker's server, refresh your charts, re-log into your account, test another symbol, and restart the platform if necessary. So now, if this video has helped you fix the MT4 and MT5 waiting for update error, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll always have reliable tutorials to keep your trading platforms running smoothly without interruptions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.